Hello, we're going to do a dessert.
Hello, today we're going to do a classic pudding or flan. The flan is a dessert made with eggs, milk and sugar. It is characteristic by its milk flavor and creamy texture. It is achieved by mixing the ingredients and cooking them in a water bath until set. It is one of the most popular desserts in the restaurants and is very easy to do. These are the ingredients: 120 grams of fine sugar, 100 grams of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 whole eggs, 40 milliliters of water, 4 egg yolks, 400 of liquid milk.
We begin the recipe by taking the granulated sugar along with the water to boil. Let's prepare a caramel, which will go into the barrel of the pudding. Then when unmolding of dessert will be the top of this. Always monitor and maintain an average temperature. The temperature has to be constant because if it is very hot, our caramel will burn. Mix from time to time. Having a dark color extinguish the fire. Immediately after putting out the fire, we will pour some of the caramel in a refractory. The refractories should be rotated so that the candy covers the walls of the same.
Get the milk in a pot. It should hot boil, but should be hot enough. While the milk is heated, we mix the 2 whole eggs in a bowl, add the yolks, vanilla, and finally the fine sugar. We should always mix well to join the ingredients. You notice that there are lumps. Do not worry that later we will sift the mixture. Now, very careful, we pour the hot milk to our mixture without leaving to beat so they do not create lumps.
We continue. We bring hot water to cook our pudding. Carefully, we put them inside the tray and take them to the oven. The oven must be preheated to 220 degrees. We let it cook for about an hour. Do not let the water boil. If you notice bubbles in the water, be aware that it will not reach the boil. The flan will have holes. When they see that the surface has curdled, they can remove it. Remember that it should not have a very hard consistency because after taking it to the refrigerator, it will curdle a little more. When they see that the surface curdled, they can remove. Remember that it should not have a very hard consistency because after taking it to the refrigerator, it will curdle a little more. Take it to the fridge for all night. Serve it with the help of a knife. Separate the edge of the flan and the refractory. Turn over on a plate and remove.